What if the key to your child's future success wasn't just academic achievements, but the skills they develop to manage money, make wise decisions, and manage their time effectively? As parents, we often focus on teaching our kids the basics reading, writing, and arithmetic. But what about life's practical skills? Teaching children how to manage money and decision making isn't just helpful, it's essential for their future independence and confidence. Teaching children about money is one of the most valuable lessons you can impart. Money management isn't just about saving, it's about understanding the importance of budgeting, spending wisely, and saving for the future. Teach them the difference between needs and wants, and introduce concepts like saving, spending wisely, and even giving back. These early lessons lay the foundation for smart financial habits later in life. Start small, give your child an allowance, and encourage them to set aside a portion for savings, spending, and even charity. By introducing these concepts early, they'll begin to understand the value of money and learn the responsibility that comes with it. Time management is equally important. In today's fast-paced world, teaching children how to prioritize tasks and manage their time efficiently sets them up for academic and personal success. Use tools like calendars or daily planners to help them organize their day. Show them how to break large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. When children understand how to balance activities and commitments, they build skills that help them stay focused and less overwhelmed as they grow. Lastly, decision-making is a skill that will stay with them throughout life. Encourage your child to make choices, both big and small. Help them weigh the pros and cons and consider the consequences of their actions. Through guided practice, they'll develop the confidence to make informed decisions and handle the outcomes responsibly. By teaching children about money, time management, and decision-making, we're not just preparing them for the future, we're empowering them to take charge of their own lives with wisdom, confidence, and the ability to navigate the world on their own terms. And above all, you're equipping them with tools that schools often don't cover, but are vital for real-world success. How do you teach these life skills to your kids? Share your favorite tips in the comments below.